let's first go for the card.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Now this is the card. According to our bar chart, the card is getting. Is it getting weak?
Yeah, short.
It's going short.
Mm.
So we already see here the card is dropping
Mm.
according to our monthly.
Mm.
But the card is dropping, but we have structure here.
Okay.
You already have structure here. So it's as if the card is about to hit the structure area
And
here,
retrace.
and do a
Mm.
retracement. Mm, yeah. But when we go to the weekly here, yeah, we still see. By the way, it's about to hit this area here. Let's first go back to the monthly. But when we go to the JPY, to the bond yield chart,
Mm.
we see the bond yield is still dropping.
For
And
the JPY.
for
The
the card.
JPY, no.
No, for
For
the
the
card.
card, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's still dropping.
Mm.
And the next structure where it has to reach is this area here. Hmm?
Mm.
Let me make it a bit bigger. And if we apply our fab here, we shall put it from here up to here,
Mm.
up to this point here. We find that the card hasn't. Let me make it a bit big.
It's coming down there on the 16th.
So there's still chance that the card is still dropping down here, according to the bond yield market. It's still dropping down to the 50 area here. You get it?
Yes.
So it hasn't reached this structure area here, because now the next structure to hit will be this one, and it has to drop up to that structure there.
Mm.
Yeah. So that means that even here, there's still a gap here. The card is still dropping up to this area here. Yeah, there's still a possibility it may drop and cross a bit this line, or to drop and stop on just there. So there's still a
Mm.
possibility that the card is still getting weak.
Okay.
Mm.
Mm.
When we go further, like maybe to the 4 hour,
Still, it's dropping.
yeah, it's dropping, but you have to be very careful now here. But I've entered like over the card JPY, and it has already made some good money here. Mm.
You entered it, eh?
Yeah, the card was it the card JPY? I think. Mm. Yeah, I've done something about the card here. So it's still moving. So, but if you don't
Mm.
want to enter it, you can stop. You may go out of it somewhere. But I think it's still now. Let's go to the real currency and see what is happening. If it's still dropping.
Yeah.
So I did the CADJPY. Yeah, it was
Okay.
the CADJPY, and we see our fab is here. Our structural area is here. The major structural area here. The major structural area we have is this one here. And if it has to drop, it will have to hit this area here on the monthly. That is at the 50% area where that's where it is lying there. So if it has to drop, it will have to hit that area. So, and it is already moving. You see, it is already moving. So there's also between here, there's structure here that the card has already broken. Let me pull out this line here. Then I put some ads disturbing me here. You see, there's structure here. You see that one? Market has already broken that structure area there.
Meaning it's going to go down.
It's still moving down to this area here, this structural area here. So that means there is still a good move to the downside there. There's still a good move to the downside there.
Okay, I think mine hasn't even triggered it because I did it today, like now. So I think my entry is on entry for the card is 84.57.
You put it
Check the lines.
84. 84 is summer, so you put it very low.
Very low, eh?
Yeah, it should have been immediately at this structure here, this structure area here. After breaking this structure here, it's a confirmation that it's going to move further down. Is it okay? Because now the 84 will be almost the exit. It was 84 what?
84.571. That is the exit.
84.57. My exit is at 84.572.
So you see that is also where the is. Yeah. Hello? Yeah, that is also where the trick comes. At times, it's, like this line, the one, the 84, actually comes direct from the monthly. That is, it is the 50, whereby on the monthly we can say that will be the entry. You get it? So I think it is what I moved with, knowing that I have to wait until it breaks that area. After when it reaches that area, then I go down. For me, that is how I took it. So I should have entered earlier.
You should have entered.
I need those.
Yeah. What is happening here? Market went up until this area. It hit this structure here, up here. You see? Then it began dropping. You get it? No, whatever you're seeing. So from dropping up here, wherever it is going, so your positions have to be entered from in between here, between this structure area and this structure area. If you wait for market to hit this structure area for you to enter, that means that you are going to enter where you are going to lose all this money here. You get it? So when it is between here, you should have looked for entries from between here up to down here. You get it? So if you wait for it to break this structure here, because it's going to come, hit this structure, and then bounce back.
Retrace.
Make a retracement. So it will be very tricky for you.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you have to
do. So actually now it can even be just you execute like now and you wait until.
Yeah, you can execute. You can do execute from now, and then put it at where the structure ends here, down here. So it will exit from there. That will be your take profit then.
Okay. Yeah, you see, like I took that as intuitive. to maybe be patient and wait for it, and then maybe it goes back. It's like you, but I get understanding in saying that because I also knew that it was
Mm,
going to like
mm,
go down there,
mm,
but now